Hello, bonjour, comment ça va? Aujourd'hui, today we're gonna talk about tu and vous. Okay, when to use tu and when to use vous. So, in French, tu and vous both mean you. So, but they are used in different ways. So, when you talk to one person, you use tu, right? When you talk to one person, you use tu. Therefore, use it with a friend, a close relative, a person of your own age, a child, a pet. Okay, friend, close relative, person your own age, a child, and a pet. That's when you use tu. And then for vous, use it for an adult you don't know. You use it for a distant relative, and use it for a person older than you. Use it for an acquaintance. Okay, when you talk to more than one person, you always use vous. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some example where I use tu and some example where I use vous. I want to show it to you in a sentence. Okay, so for example, if we were to ask a question, qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire, Nadine? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire, Nadine? That means what do you like to do, Nadine? Okay, so you notice here that the tu here means you. And you're talking to Nadine. Okay, so Nadine is going to be a friend, somebody that you know. Or you're going to have a vous skiez, Mademoiselle Dufresne. Vous skiez, Mademoiselle Dufresne. Okay, do you ski, Miss Dufresne? Okay, you understand that here it's already formal here. Somebody older than you, somebody that you respect. Okay, you use the vous. But here you're talking to one person. Okay. So, Karen and Luc, vous étudiez. Karen and Luc, vous étudiez. Karen and Luc, are you guys studying? Okay, here you're talking to two people, right? So you're automatically going to use vous here. Okay. So now we're just going to go ahead and practice to see if you can apply this stuff that we just learned, tu and vous, right? So basically here is ask you to indicate whether you should use tu or vous when you're speaking to the following people. If it's speaking to Mademoiselle Blondel, what would you use? To vous. Because you have Mademoiselle, so it's formal. To Clément, what would you use? Tu, because Clément, you call it by first name, somebody you know, okay, friend or close relative. Here you have two people, Louis and François and Florence. Yeah, you will have to use vous here because you have two people. What about Monsieur Milo? Okay, you notice here you have put the title here. The title here, so it's respect someone older than you. Okay, or person of authority. So it's gonna be vous. Monsieur et Madame Ferté. Monsieur et Madame Ferté, two people. Okay, vous. Good. Stephanie, what would you use? Good. Tu. And Jean, Jeanne et Fabrice, what would you use? Vous. And here at the end you have François, Jean-François. It's kind of cut off a little bit here. Jean-François is the name of person, so you're gonna use tu. Okay, so this concludes the lesson today. You can go back and review and practice until you get it. Okay, so until then, au revoir, à bientôt, salut.